There's a new restaurant in town, but you'd rather have a meal that's delicious and comforting that you can make at home. Well, we got you covered here at Asai Guy Cooks with yellow curry chicken. So let's get started. Let's make the yellow curry sauce. Yellow curry paste can be found at most stores in Asian market. Now let's prepare the chicken. Let's prepare the vegetables. Let's check the seasoning. And I believe it's perfect. Yellow curry traces origins to Southeast Asia, specifically Thailand, where it's been a staple in their cuisine for centuries. Today, yellow curry is enjoyed in many countries around the world with many variations. The distinct yellow color comes from turmeric. Let's cook the couscous.
Yep.
Set your timer for 5 minutes. Allow the couscous to stand for 5 minutes. Now let's prepare the rice option. Set your timer for 20 minutes. Allow the rice to simmer for 20 minutes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. Yellow curry chicken with rice. And yellow curry chicken with couscous. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the chicken is fork tender and the yellow curry sauce offers a warm and mild spice flavor that is second to none. This is one dish you will absolutely enjoy. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Yellow curry chicken is comforting and delicious. Stay with us. Watch the next video.